The Itauke Land Trust Board administers 91% of the land in Fiji. And with increasing demand for Itauke land, TLTB has grown and expanded its services to meet the needs of the people we serve. Led by the able leadership of the TLTB Board of Trustees, our role is threefold. 1. To control, manage and monitor Itauke land by way of leases and licenses. 2. To collect and distribute rent, premiums and royalties that are derived from leased land. And 3. To ensure sufficient lands are reserved for use, maintenance and support of Itauke landowners. TLTB services are delivered to its stakeholders through its 4 main regional offices in Suva, Lautoka, Nadi and Lambasa, with 6 sub-regional offices in Nausori, Korowau, Rakiraki, Ba, Singotoka and Savusavu. As a trustee and landlord of Itauke land, leasing out land on behalf of the landowners, the board collects an average of $85 million, and these are distributed to landowners through their various bank accounts. We currently manage a lease portfolio of 48,000 leases of all types, and this has provided accessibility of Itauke land to be used by the different sectors of Fiji's economy, including the housing sector, agriculture, commercial and industrial, to name a few. In support of the board's effort to provide the best land management services, it has embarked on a digital transformation journey to improve its leasing process. In partnership with the Asian Development Bank, the proposed digital platform has been specifically designed to manage Itauke land leases better and efficiently. This will see pre-packaged land lease products being traded in an online marketplace platform. TLTB has also revived, enhanced and improved its use of GIS services. There have been major developments in this regard with the aim of providing better and more convenient service delivery. To ensure a coordinated approach on the leasing of land for different purposes, a master land use planning exercise has been concluded, which resulted in the Greater Suva Land Use Master Plan, the Greater West Land Use Master Plan, and the Greater North Land Use Master Plan. Our greatest asset is our people, who are continually upskilled and trained to provide the best service and meet the expectation of all our stakeholders. Additionally, TLTB systems, procedures and processes are constantly reviewed to align to evolving technologies to improve and meet our stakeholders' needs and demands. Here at TLTB, we strive to effectively implement best practices and processes throughout the organization to nurture and enhance a safe, compliant and secure organization culture that is focused, agile and responsive to properly manage Itauke land to meet the growing needs of our stakeholders. To conserve and protect the natural environment, we have tree planting programs and environment cleaning campaigns undertaken with our partners, landowners, community groups, government agencies and business partners. At the same time, to work within the legal requirements upon which the organization has been established. This is who we are. Itauke land. Our heritage, our future.